Hello everyone, this is Kamini, trainer at VRAcademi, and welcome to my tutorial of Illustrator. And today I'll be showing you the interface for Illustrator. As you can see on my screen, on the top there is a menu bar. The menu bar has a lot of sub-menus inside that menu. Now all those options which you see on the top is the menu bar. Below the menu bar, I have Tool Property Panel. Tool Property Panel will have the property related to the tool which you select from the toolbar. Towards my left hand side is the toolbar. Now over here you get a lot of options to make your artwork. On the center of the page is my artboard. Now artboard is the page on which we are going to make our artwork. On the right hand side I have my floating panels. Now floating panel has a lot of options like colors, gradients, brushes. So those are the options which we are going to make use to make our artwork. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.